The piezometric pressure measurement device was developed entirely in the Department of Civil Engineering and Geodesy of the Military University of Technology in Warsaw. The solution is a fully proprietary proposal for a solution to support the diagnosis of civil structures in determining the value of pressure impact by groundwater on underground parts of civil structures. The latest begins by drilling a hole in the foundation slab. Then, using anchors, the device is attached to it. Water from under the foundation slab fills the drilled hole and then the chamber. During filling, the measuring cylinder is vented. The measuring system of the device zeroes out when water flows out in the venting and shut-off assembly. Then, after the cylinder is filled, which means after the water appears in the vent, it is closed. During the test, the pressure in the measuring device is measured continuously, which makes it possible to determine its variation over time and to conduct continuous monitoring of water pressure. Measurement of the established level of groundwater in the subsurfaces is carried out through the use of piezometers, which are vertical pipes installed in the subsurfaces. This classical solution doesn't allow the measurement of artesian water levels, and it is difficult to measure water pressure under the floor of underground parts of buildings. Piezometric pressure measuring device allow to measure pressure of artesian waters, groundwater pressure values under the floors of buildings with underground floors or under underground objects, selection of appropriate solution for waterproofing underground parts against groundwater impact. Potential customers for the device are construction companies and diagnostic laboratories, especially those involved in the deep foundation of buildings and structures. The device was tested in real conditions. Groundwater pressure measurement was carried out under the floor of an office and service building on the -2nd floor. The tested and working prototype will be available during the Innovate 2024 fair in Krakow at the exhibition stand of the Military University of Technology.